Welcome back. So it's another tournament, and this one's a custom league tournament in Atlanta, BladebreakersATL. You know what's going on. So the premise of using custom Beyblades is basically started when Skara told me kind of fumbled with making the Plastic Gen remix way too light. So now all of us OG bladers want to be able to use our favorite Beyblades, but we can't because they're not, meta. They're not competitive. They're just not ready for battle with the actual X Beyblades. So the cool part is BladebreakersATL being the organizer, we had started the custom Beyblade League, and that's pretty much what the rest of the video is going to be. So I'm going to stop talking and let you guys watch. So it opens at 12 and the tournament's starting. Everybody's already here. They're already ready. I'm about to see his son drove 2 hours just to cream everybody in the custom Beyblade. #1, baby. Darts won the tournament. He came from North Carolina for this tournament. Him and his dad, Robert, came all the way from North Carolina, and they killed it. He won the tournament. He went to finals and won. And he used, what did you use? What'd you use? Let's go. Custom tournament the first time, y'all.